Rosie, this is Andrew. I'm going to show you how to use Catalot in Commons. So this is just the contributions page or uploads page that I have here, but any page that shows images, this includes existing categories or anything like that, with different boxes or table will work here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here, and I've got at least three images here, Wikimedia 2008, but if I actually click on them, they're not categorized correctly. So I want to add them to the Wikimedia 2008 category. So what I'm going to do is hit Catalog down here, and you'll see that it brings up all these categories it finds of the images that are here. But what I want to do is select specific images. And this is kind of the cool thing. I just go up here and notice that when I mouse over stuff, it highlights. I can just go ahead and click 1, 2, 3 to operate on these three files. And then what I can do now is actually go up here and add what I want to add. I can either select something that's here already and hit the plus sign, and it'll add that category. Or I can delete that. I can go ahead and hit Wikimania 2008, hit return, and here we are. Look, we got Wikimania 2008 options here, so I can say Lana, bid, food, whatever. I just want to add this Wikimania 2008, so I hit plus sign right there, and there it is. I've added that category to those three files. And hopefully that shows you the power of Catalog. It's pretty easy to use. It's just a little bit confusing to get the basics down. That's it.